Afternoon. These could be the last clear skies we can see today, as it just started raining over here again, and it was very busy out here, and now everyone is trying to get some shelter in. Mariano's is packed inside with all people who don't want to walk in the rain. Same goes for Piccadilly, and probably next door at Silver Dollar will be the same. So right now we're heading for Uncle Pat's, as that terrace was packed 10 minutes ago when it was still sunny out here. And now we're gonna see where everyone is heading to. Those people are leaving at exactly the best time right now, as it will keep raining on the rest of the night. Temperatures are around 19 degrees today, and from tomorrow onward, after a short shower in the morning, it should stay dry for the rest of the week, with temperatures of 22 degrees. So at least the forecast is a bit optimistic. And for now, people have to look for alternatives, like over here at the Flash Hotel bar, as it will keep on raining the rest of the night. At least the live entertainment is out again. There's the Riviera. Oh, the covering is up over here, but no one there. They all flocked away to an indoor place. And there we are, Uncle Pat's. Yeah, everyone's trying to seek shelter now for this weather. Imagine it was full over here 10 minutes ago, and now thankfully they have a large indoor space back there, so it should be packed around there. And further on, everyone still having a good time over here. So we just arrived at the strip. John and Joseph's, lots of people in there. And the Wild Duck as well. Let's check out Western Saloon over there. Okay, these folks over here don't notice anything of the rain. Nicely covered. Having a good time. And some are still keeping on their umbrellas. Oh, it isn't the busiest. Maybe lots and lots of people are still trying to get away from the beach, as it just started to rain. And behind us we can still see the last bit of sun. It's behind the building over there. Oh, this place is packed over here, the Brit station. Check out all those people in there. That is one place everyone went. Same goes for Rockies. Very busy out here. Let's hope it won't stay that dead tonight. Probably a little bit busier. Over at La Marina, some people sheltered in there for the rain. But as we are here, that means that we have Andy's. Tiki City, busy in there, and the same goes for Planet Benidorm. Everyone tried to seek shelter out here. And it's starting to get a bit heavier, the rain. At the Funky Flamingo, the party is just starting, with people enjoying themselves. And next door, jumping jacks. Oh wow. They're happy you sought some shelter for the rain. And there's only one more to go over here on the strip. That is the Rockstar. Emptied out, washed clean already. And a few in there, not a few. It's full inside back there. we are heading towards Levanta beach, and then I'm gonna get home because I don't want to get completely soaked from the rain today. Over here on the Mediterranean, it is quite busy compared to the strip with people walking, and I understand why, as these trees do keep a lot of rain away right now. We've got Silver City and a very empty strip. Let's see how busy it is on the end at the Tiki Beach. Over here at Miller's there's a silent disco going on. Always looks so funny. And we are there, Tiki Beach. Definitely busy inside there. There we are at the Levanta. You can hear some thunder in the distance. And someone is crazy enough to go parasailing with lightning. Okay, so the boulevard is empty. But then there, definitely not. Same goes for Cayman. Quite packed as well. People can sit dry, enjoy their drinks. Probably lots of them just came from the beach. Thought it was going to be dry today. Rented one of those things for €6 a piece. And didn't know the rest of the day was rain. The green flag is out today again. Thankfully no high winds or anything. And in the distance we still see parasailing continuing. At least I didn't want to be up there with lightning in the sky. I demand a refund. But maybe it's safe and all to go up there. There's the King Coco. Loads of people in there. And some Spanish restaurants. People enjoying a late lunch. Or a drink, because some terraces aren't covered. So that's one of the options then. And this is where we are gonna end our video for today. Gonna head home, have a warm shower and dry up a little bit. Hope you all liked this video. Don't forget to give a like, as it greatly promotes our videos. Don't forget to subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet. And thank you all for watching.